They take all the hints in Forbidden Forest. Just hang on! Oh, don't mind floating. Miss Barks are worse than his points. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power. I've got him, don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at night. Tangled in Devil's Snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Well, I'll move. There's a unicorn.